right there, 88. Come on, baby. You know, do your thing, stretch your stuff, run your barefoot, fire it up, whatever. We got the noise blankers on the radio off, and you all see where the volume knob is. So I'm going to cut this 20-inch box fan up in this room so there's no air to hash, if anything. 127, it's your show, man. You might want to wait till that atmospheric static dip out like it just did, you know. Try to shoot the shots in there, but y'all want to know what you're hitting me with, what it sounds like there. Come on, talk to me. Alright, channel 22, see you later. We're going to spin this dial. We are now leaving channel 22 for the guys tuning in on YouTube. How about a radio check, channel 19? I need a radio check, hello. I guess this radio ain't working. Okay, we're leaving channel 19. We'll try a different channel. Gonna go find me some mud ducks. Give a brother an audio check. Here I am, channel 30. What's up, guys? Channel 30 in Brooklyn. The muddiest mud ducks around. Good evening.
Coming over there. You're jumping on your fire now.
Who's that? Yeah, who was that was just talking with that mad squeal in his radio and his lousy cotton picking mud duck echo mic turned all the way up? Fellas, why don't you tell somebody when they sound like garbage like that, man? Don't let them run like that.
It's so funny how you work on the industry. If it's all that garbage, how you would think doing that, man?
I don't think so, pal. His radio, the way it was squealing with that echo mic, my radios don't squeal, sir. My radios do not squeal. Not even when the power mic battery is dead, okay?
Yeah, radio check where you at over there and tell me if I'm squeaking. Yeah, you fix the mic carriage. So if it's squealing on your phone, copy?
No, it's not you. It's the guy out there in the distance, the one that was